Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing America's Best Value in Manteca. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a free Wi-Fi. This Manteca hotel is within a 16-minute drive of the Stockton Airport. The hotel offers a gym, laundry facilities, an outdoor pool and rooms with free Wi-Fi. America's Best Value in Manteca rooms include a microwave and refrigerator. The rooms are equipped with coffee maker and cable TV. The America's Best offers guests a daily breakfast and free newspapers in the lobby. The Manteca America's Best Value is 19 miles from the University of Pacific. Yosemite National Park is 70 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.